You will need bulky, chunky yarn. I'll be using wool yarn in color rose gray, same as what I used in my previous project, a 6mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Before we begin, don't forget to remove the strip, and we're good to go. We're going to be starting right here with the slip knot. And chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After which, add more 3 chains because we will be working on double crochet. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook to the 5th chain right here. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Remember, we're going to be counting the first 3 chains right here as the first double crochet. Okay, let's proceed. Yarn over, insert your hook to the chain right here. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook to the chain right here. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So continue doing so until the end of the row. To start row 2, chain 3, turn your work, and create double crochet on the very first chain right here. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook to the chain right here. Make sure that's 2 little loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook to the chain right here. Make sure that's 2 little loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Last chain for row 2. Insert your hook. Make sure that's 2 little loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to continue this process until we reach row 12. Okay? So I will be back once I'm right at the end. We are almost done now. And we're done. Right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 rows. Now we're going to be attaching the ends together by slip stitch. Like so. And we're going to attach it at the back to create a bow. Alright? Insert your hook into your working chain and into the very first loop in your foundation chain, right here. Then, yarn over, and pull through. Now, insert your hook into the chain right here. But instead of inserting it into 2 loops, just insert your hook at the back loop, like so, and into your foundation chain. Again, yarn over and pull through. Repeat the process. Insert your hook into the back loop, like so, and into your foundation chain right here. Yarn over, pull through. Alright, insert your hook into the back loop and into your foundation chain and pull through. Alright, so last chain or last slip stitch, and we're done. Now to secure our slip stitch, chain 2 and cut your working yarn. Now pull through and pull it nice and tight like so. Now the last step is to weave in these ends and we're done. Now let's attach the middle part together. Find the 6th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, we are going to attach it here by sewing this together. So grab your darning needle and let's start sewing. Okay, again, we're going to sew the middle part right here into the middle part of row 6 and 7, right here. Alright, to create a bow. Now we're going to attach the bow into the headband by sewing the middle part right here together, like so. Alright, so continue sewing until the bow is securely attached into the headband. And I will be back once I'm right at the end. After which, weave in these ends. And we're done. Now what are we going to do next is to create the strip to make our bow headband a little bit nicer. To create the strip, let's start with the slip knot. Now chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Add 2 more chains. So 1 and 2, because we're going to be working with half double crochet. Okay, to half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the 12th chain right here, and then yarn over and pull through. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the 11th chain, yarn over and pull through. So continue this process until the end of the row. So we're done with our strip. Now, let's attach it into the headband, like so. So this is how it will look like. Alright, flip your headband, wrap the strip into the middle, and let's attach the ends by slip stitch. Insert your hook into your working chain and into the foundation chain right here, and slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through. Again, insert your hook into the chain right here and into the foundation chain, yarn over and pull through. So continue this all the way through. We are almost done now. To finish off, we're going to weave in these ends. Alright? And we're done. So this is our final output. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you next week for more creative ideas. Bye!